welcome in to be our guest and actually just making the world better. And then we have with us Pam McLemore, who's the Executive Director for Montgomery Christian School. And I know that those of you who watch us consistently have heard us talk about this before. It is amazing, and I want Pam to share with you, this has to do with our future because that's our children. And so tell us exactly, what is Montgomery Christian School?
Montgomery Christian School is an elementary school, kindergarten through 5th grade. Right now we have 118 students. There are two things that make us distinct. The first is we provide school choice to students who otherwise would not be able to afford it. And the second one is we partner with parents.
I love that. Your parents are involved.
Very much so.
Now, to be able to go to Montgomery Christian School, what is the requirement?
Of course, we have a kindergarten ready requirement, along with the parents have to pay something every month. There's accountability there. I'm going to tell you, I think we have the best parents in the whole wide world. Along with, we have a parent university that they have to attend, and that's wonderful. It's quarterly. And our parents, I'm telling you, this community at Montgomery Christian School is unique. It is special, and we're excited to be able to tell you some news too.
Well, the thing that I love is you have, how far up? What grade do you go?
We're kindergarten through 5th grade.
And
in 5th grade, we have a variety of schools that they get to go to. They now get their pick because they are excelling. Our test scores are amazing. Right now we're 145% above grade level on average. If you see our math scores right now, they're 163% above grade level. They are ready for that next stage, not only academically though, they're also ready socially,
right.
They're ready spiritually, and I cannot wait to see, as we see our alumni go on to university,
right.
They're excelling. They really are.
And let me make this clear. These are all nationalities.
Yes.
It is very diversified. And like she said, children that otherwise probably would not have had this opportunity. This is not like a private school per se. And some of the parents only pay like maybe $50 a month.
Correct.
So I want to make this clear. This is a God-given opportunity as far as I'm concerned.
Thank you.
We started out, back when I was on your board, I think they were well under 20.
We started out with 10 students in kindergarten.
Right.
Like I said, we're at 118. We are opening a our second first grade classroom this next year, which is so exciting. We hope that we will continue to grow up to 200 students in elementary school. That means every year we'll be graduating 40 very capable students who maybe come from a different background than you and I. But that's what Montgomery needs. We need to bridge the gap that exists here. And I'm going to tell you that our students, our alumni, I just spoke with a few yesterday. We have one in investment banking at Auburn. We have one at Faulkner University, and she is studying elementary education. We have another who's studying radiology. Wonderful. And this is because our community is providing the scholarship for our students, kindergarten through 5th grade. And they're doing it as not just for Montgomery, but for our future, for the generations to come.
So all of the funding comes from contributions, basically. And you know what? You're outgrowing your school. You're going to have to do something. So what's coming up?
This is exciting. So right now we're praying it in. Our board's always prayed. We've always been a board that we think ahead and we ask a lot of questions. And when the board decided to take that leap of faith to grow a second kindergarten last year that we announced here, now we're growing our second first grade. And after that, we've run out of space. And so what we're asking is our community to help us grow and to help us find that correct place to go. And we hope that at Art Splash, we will make the announcement of exactly what building we'll be in. But right now, people can give to Montgomery Christian School. We need help with scholarships, and we need help with growth. And you can do that on a variety of ways. You can do that through your investments, through stocks, through your IRA. You can do that even without being taxed, which is wonderful. You can go to montgomerychristianschool.org, montgomerychristianschool.org, and there you'll find information not only about the school, but also information about how to give, which is wonderful. And we still do snail mail. Now, some people are hesitant, but we still accept checks. On Friday afternoons, I'll go around and collect checks because we'll do that for our students. Our students are worth investing in. I think Montgomery in general, when people think of it, we think of we need a great education system and we really need to invest in our families. That's exactly what our founders decided 16 years ago. Let's invest in our families, let's invest in education, and let's encourage our community to come alongside us, be a part of something I think people are willing and excited to walk alongside something new, something bigger than us. And our families are phenomenal. It's working. Let's invest in something that is bringing hope and giving hope to that next generation. And let's keep building up Montgomery as a city that is really incredible and full of history.
Well, there is nothing better. And when you look at the Valiant Cross, everybody came together. Montgomery Christian School, we are making a pathway to creating a better future for our community all the way around. And we've got to raise all boats. And I think the spiritual element is so important for these children.
It is.
And what we love the most is they're accountable. You've got test scores that show you that it works.
Yes.
Well, listen, it has been such a pleasure to have you, and
Miss
we'll come back and let you know about the big fundraiser, which is Art Splash. We do it every year. And please, please be that person that makes the difference in the life of a child. And thank you for being with us, and we'll be right back.